Welcome back to Becoming Her. In the last episode, we talked about building a wardrobe that is timeless. We talked about the staples, the fit, the quality, the signature touches. And in today, we're going to discuss something equally important. Wardrobe mistakes that you make that makes you look older or less polished than you are. Because elegance isn't just about what you add, it's also about what you remove or avoid. So let's get into it. Believe it or not, most women unintentionally age themselves with their clothing. It's not about your face, it's not about your makeup or your hair. It's about your wardrobe choices that often sends the wrong message. And the good news is these mistakes are definitely fixable immediately with intentional adjustments. So when it comes to the wardrobe mistakes, what are they? Because I've definitely hammered you with a lot. Number one mistake is poor fitting. Poor fitting is definitely ruining your entire look. And that is with baggy, stretched, or oversized clothing. They make you look sloppy and also older than what you are. My best advice is for you to start tailoring your clothes. Tailoring is your best friend. Fit equals instant refinement. One thing I love doing the most is when I find something that I love, I get them tailored to my body type. Sometimes it's not your body type that doesn't like the clothes. You just need to get it tailored. Number two is outdated styles. Listen, we all have those pieces that we've loved in the past. Some of us have jackets from the 99 2000s in our closet. And it's okay, but if your clothes are 10 years old, even if they still fit, they may read older than your age. Invest in timeless, updated items. It's okay to keep the 99 2000 in your closet if it's a vintage item, but I'm talking about people who do not like to revamp their closet. You feel like you need every piece in your closet. And you've noticed that when you wear those pieces, you don't look your best. You look washed out. So I definitely recommend you to invest in timeless, updated items. This is not to say go with what's trending, but I'm sure they remake the items that you love in the most elevated way. I've found jackets that I've loved in the 99 2000s. Heck, trench coats are being redesigned in ways that makes you look chic and elevated without having to rely on your old trench coats. So let go of the old, go with the new. Mistake number three, excessive patterns or over branding. Large logos, busy prints, or loud patterns can overpower your elegance. Luxury is often quiet. It's never loud. Less is more. You do not need to be wearing large logos of Fendi. I've had a Fendi belt in the past and I love that belt, but I've noticed that sometimes I outwear it with things that don't make sense. Sometimes it's great to be quiet when it comes to your luxury. A small little print of Coach on your bag makes a big difference. Instead of wearing Gucci this, Gucci that, Gucci everything, go with less is more. That's what speaks more. That's why it's called less is more. Number four is wrong shoes. Worn, cheap looking, or overly casual shoes age you instantly. Polished, intentional footwear elevates your entire look. And this is not to tell you to break the bank, because this page is all about affordable shopping and making sure that you look your best without breaking the bank. There are tons and tons and tons of designers who makes the best dupes of designer brands that you want to have one day. Steve Madden, Aldo, You have Macy's that often push out sales. You do not need to go to Goodwill every day to get the good shoes. Sometimes that kind of sounds nasty. Why would you do that? Ugh. But no, seriously. Wrong shoes worn, cheap looking, and also overly casual shoes can definitely age your look. So be very intentional about your shoes. Make sure that they are polished. And sometimes it's not even about the shoes looking old, it's about how you're cleaning them and how you're taking care of them. Polish your black leather shoes before you wear them. Wash your white sneakers before you wear them. Stop wearing dirty sneakers. Stop wearing dusty black leather shoes. Take the time to wipe your bags. Take the time to switch out those dirty laces. That is what would elevate and make you look put together without having to always buy because you think something looks old. But really what it needs is intentional touch to whatever it is that needs to be fixed. Mistake number 5, ignoring accessories or overdoing them. Too many cheap accessories create clutter. I have a accessory. I hope you don't hear my stomach. I am growling, girl. It's time for lunch. But I do have a video all about accessories and how to accessorize. I will definitely leave it in my description box below if you're interested. We talk about what I just said, accessorizing. And yeah, it's more detailed and only about accessories. But yeah, too many cheap accessories definitely creates clutter. No accessories or mismatched pieces can definitely make your outfit feel incomplete. The best way for you to go is to keep it minimal and intentional. Your accessories should speak quality and also, it should make sense to your lifestyle and who you are and who you're becoming and who God has placed you to be. Okay? Speaking of God, God gave you your body, your presence, and also your influence. Wardrobe mistakes are often unconscious habits, and that's normal. By curating what you wear with intention, you're honoring yourself and also your calling. Elegance is a form of stewardship over your image and also your presence and also your energy, because the Bible does say that your body is a temple of the Holy Spirit. So how you represent yourself is a worship form of telling God, thank you. And I'm here to represent you the best way as possible. With that being said, think about your wardrobe today. Which of these 5 mistakes might be holding you back from truly stepping into the woman you are becoming? I also offer one-on-one consultation if you're interested, where we get to know each other and also what you like, and also help you elevate yourself this year. And yeah, I also do have a form. I don't know why I'm speaking so slow, but I have a form in the description box below that can help you answer some of the questions that can also, bring me and you together, and we can solve it together without you feeling like, okay, I'm answering these questions, what next? So make sure you also check out the description box down below for everything that I just mentioned. And yeah, this is becoming her. Not rushed, not copied, not forced, but intentional, aligned, and also evolving. Correcting wardrobe mistake isn't superficial. It's a step towards the woman you're becoming. Make sure you subscribe and stay with me as we continue this journey together. Timeless elegance, presence, and also confidence. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.